going on? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you just stumbled up on this video, I am back as your boy T with another beater box. I know I've been gone for a while, man, just trying to take some time off, clear my head, and just chill. Still been getting a bunch of boxes in, still been slinging kicks on IG. Follow me on IG at TGOTSOLE for sale. Been doing a lot of little story sales on there. But back on YouTube, time to get back to it. Today we got an $850 Sole Supremacy mystery box. I got an $800 box and a ton of other boxes that I'm not gonna shoot, but I'll go ahead and give y'all this $850 box so y'all can see what the kicks is looking like in these boxes nowadays. I know I've been gone for a couple of months from YouTube, but the boxes still been coming in, like I said, and they've been pretty good. If you follow me on IG, you see some of the stuff I've been getting in these boxes have been fire. Some boxes, but most of the boxes have been fire to me personally. Always grateful for those good old Golden StockX and all those apps that help the brother push these kicks out. But like I said, this is an $850 box. We're gonna start off with these box. This box missing a lid right here. We got some LeBron 7s. I can't remember the nickname to these. Size 9.5. This colorway is dope. This is one of my favorite models from LeBron. The 7s were so hard to me when they first dropped. These are 9.5. Very, very clean. I've had these before, and the nickname will come to me right after I shoot the video. But check them out. 9.5. These are dope. I love the colorway on these. The model color, fire. 9.5 on those. I got two New Balance boxes. Is New Balance the wave now? Because I've been getting a bunch of New Balances and they've actually been selling pretty good. These are New Balance. They got Vision on the box, size 10. I don't know what these are. Never seen them before. They got a thick sole on them. These are a size 10. I don't know. I guess this is a men's shoe. I don't know. But look how thick. They probably stupid comfortable too. Never seen this shoe before. I don't know. I guess it's a collab or something or whatever, man. Look at these. How y'all feeling about these? These are pretty bright too. Like I said, with the thickness of this all, I bet they comfortable. Clear bottoms with Vision on the bottoms. New Balance. Got some black laces in here. Well, at least I got one. Do I have the other? I only have one black lace. So that's unfortunate, but the box is in good shape. Size 10 on those again. We got another New Balance in here. Size 10. Okay, we got some 997s. A little something I'm more familiar with. Kind of got a Sesame Street colorway, something going on right here. 997s. I seen a guy at my son's soccer practice who had these on. His was fire. This was a dope colorway. They look pretty comfortable too. These are a size 10, looking like a size 12 as long as they are. The 997 model still gets some pretty good sales. I've had like 3 pair in the last 2 months. This isn't a bad colorway either. I kind of like the different colors. Some are about over with, but check them out. I guess New Balance is coming back, man. Y'all gotta tell me. I know the 550s. I sold a couple of those here locally, and it's another New Balance that was selling pretty good for me. We only got 4 more left. We got the gold and black Jordan box. We got some 8s in a size 10 with a Sole Supremacy tag on them, so I knew it was gonna be fire. We got the Aqua 8s. Dope. Dead stock. Aqua 8s, dead stock, size 10. One of the best 8s to ever drop. Probably one of the only 8s that will still sell like crazy. Dead stock. Box in great shape. This will be an easy mover. These are hard. I've had so many pair of those. It's ridiculous, but I never get mad when I see them because that's a dope pair. We got some Kobe's. Ooh, we got some Kobe 4 Protro, undefeated. PE. We got some undefeated Kobe 4s. Check these out. I've never seen these before. So many different colorways now. With everybody doing Kobe IDs and all the NBA players with the PEs going on. We got 2 pair of laces. Got that undefeated logo here on the tongue. Not bad. These are size 11. So these are gonna move very fast. 10.5, 11 is those shoes do not sit around. Heat like this do not sit for long. I know somebody gonna want these to hoop in, or it's a Kobe, so it's gonna sell fast. 10.5 and 11. Anything close to any kind of heat or classic OG colorway sells fast in my neck of the woods. 2 pair left. We got a 3 in a size 10. Okay, haven't had these in a while. Sport blue 3s, size 10. Pretty good shape. Check that out, no cracking on that midsole. Take out both of these. Sport blues. Boom. I'm not a big fan of royal blue myself, but the leather quality on these. Of course, the model is dope. Can't go wrong with these. Size 10. Probably be up on the for sale page soon. I've been doing, like I said, the story sales and put them up, and most of the time they go within before the story is gone. So we got a size 13 retro low and a size 10. What we got? What we got? What we got? We got the lows. 13 lows. This is the 2016 release. I know they just came out with the high top joints like these. These are pretty clean though. Look at this, the toe box, no creasing. But y'all like the lows or the highs better in this colorway? I know everybody gonna say the highs. The lows was like an original release back when I was like in the 4th grade. I remember when these came out. These were I don't know, I like the high tops a lot better than 13s. But that's gonna conclude this box. So we sitting on 4, 5, 6, 7 pair. This was an $850 box. See what those New Balances going for, and of course, ain't no telling what those Kobe's is going for nowadays. So we'll see. I got another box over here. I doubt that I shoot a video for it, but if you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, at TGOTSOLE and at TGOTSOLE for sale, you will see everything in these boxes. Still working on a few other things, but man, I've gotten more boxes this year than I ever have. So things are moving great. Just taking some time to clear my head, working, chilling with my son, got him in sports and all of that cool stuff. But I'm gonna quit rambling. Make sure you hit that like button if you just stumbled up on this channel. Subscribe if you just stumbled. I'm gonna try to get more videos out with things kind of slowing down a little bit for me at work and everything like that. So hopefully I can get more videos out to y'all. Appreciate y'all who showed nothing but love and support. Hit me up on IG. Where you been at, man? I'm chilling, just enjoying life. Still working out, still going crazy in the gym. So appreciate y'all who support me in that too. So that's it. I'm out. Peace.